And there it is, the Triplet Fatbike. Well friends, we are in the home stretch. Let's put this bad boy together and ride it. There's actually a tool for this, but I'm too cheap to buy one. Now the fact of the matter is all this stuff should be lubricated prior to assembly, but this is going together, going on the test ride, then it's going to be stripped right back down and go off to powder coat. Well, this is as far as it needs to be assembled to actually test ride it. So this thing's going to need a custom cable made if the captain's going to do the shifting, but for now I think I'll just give the shifting control to the second stoker. This thing's ready to ride. There's only one thing left to do. And there it is, the Triplet Fatbike. Well, that took a little bit longer than I thought it was going to, but I think the client's going to be pretty happy with it. We still need to get 3 people on it and give it a real shakedown cruise. And if it stands up to that, then we'll strip it back down to the bare frame and send it off to powder coat. I think I'm going to end the video series here though. But if you want to see additional progress, look for me on Instagram. My name there is wildman.tech. So that's going to be all for this time. Thanks for stopping in. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click up here to see my last video. Click over here to see something of mine that YouTube thinks you'll like. And have a good one.